My story is that I had started trading on my own. I didn't join any groups or anything like that. However, basically, I just kept trading and definitely over trading. And I would get into trades, and I would trade at the wrong time, and I would just lose money. And at best, it was like a treadmill that I was losing ground. So I was constantly, having to funnel money into the account to keep it, liquid. And I'm going like, until I came on board this group, with your mentoring, I'm, it's such a turnaround.
It's good. Glad to hear it.
After this, I said, if it doesn't turn around within a few more months, I'm just, going to not do it anymore and focus on anything else and focus
Yeah.
on something else.
Now, how long have you been a trader?
Not long, about right now, about 14 months.
Okay, so over a year's worth of experience on the treadmill. Sounds like you were losing more than you were winning.
Absolutely.
And now you have, I'm sure, a decent success rate.
Success rate is, well, I can actually say right now, I've doubled my account size with you.
And how long have you been here, Brian?
I think I started in I think I joined in November. However, for the first, period of time, I was just, doing paper trading and, as you instructed, and I kind of backed out of the regular trading. So, actively trading, I started in probably mid-December,
Okay.
and, really all the growth has come within the last month.
That's awesome. So you've doubled your size pretty much in a month.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And I probably would be, if I had listened to you more, I would have a higher amount. But I suffer from that same diamond hands beforehand when the trades are going south, and
Yep.
paper hands when they're running.
Right.
So right now I like with the Amazon and with Tesla, I see I got my profit, I'm out.
Yep.
I'm happy. I just want to keep my account growing
Yeah,
until it gets to a certain size. I don't want to risk
that's
too
great.
much, and it's growing very nicely for me.
Oh, I love it. Congratulations, man. That's great. Keep it up.